Morning all, just a couple of quick ones today that I'm going to show you. First off, show you the new Sagamon from Trumpeter. This is another one in the series of US aircraft carriers. This is one of the Escort ones that they built on other hulls that they had, and they basically turned it into an Escort carrier. So it was like it could either support the major carriers and things like that. This is the first time this has ever been done in plastic. There were 4 in the set. A very nice kit. That's in stock at the moment. We've also just had some restocks from Special Hobby. So here's a couple of the newer ones. This is the Focke-Wulf FW190C V6. This is the one with the armoured cabin. It was more for ground attack. Also from them, this is a reissue of the Sea Otter in Foreign Service. And the other one that's come back out again, which has been most wanted, this is the Sunderland Mark V. Fighting commies in Europe and Far East. So yeah, okay, bit of an interesting description. Okay, another bunch of stuff that's come in. Now, we had these ordered on some time ago and they've finally arrived. So from ICM, brand new kits come in from them and a couple of updates. This is, if you're into your 35th scale fireman, this is another additional set to the Model 4D, I think, fire truck. So this is some more figures to go with it. Also from ICM, this is some of their armour pieces. This is the French artillery towing vehicle, a Laffy V15 something or other. This is 35th scale. Most of their armour is going quite well, so if you're sort of building onto that sort of series of stuff, this is one that I believe hasn't been done before. I think it's been done in resin, but I haven't seen it done as a kit. In the usual story of ICM, nice kit, nice detail. Aviation-wise, this is one of the latest one from them on their Invaders. This is the Navy one. This has got the different nose on it, things like that. This is 48 scale. This is the one I've been waiting for. I think just a lovely looking airplane in this colour scheme. When the K was released earlier on, we weren't sure whether we were going to get this one, but this is the K with the figures. So you get a A26K and the 5 figures there. So they come from a different set. They're also available separately. So if you want to mix and match and things like that. They released the A model of this a while back. This is the D model, so this is more the Gulf War aircraft, things like that. There's 5 choices of schemes. And last but not least, this is the K model by itself, been released, so that's quite good. So that's back in stock. Guys, other than that, have a great day. Keep an eye out for our next ones. Talk to you soon. See you then.